Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Barclays app will not open on your iPhone or Android device, begin by restarting your phone. Then, after restarting, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Barclays app, swipe it away to close it completely, wait for a few seconds, then reopen it. After you reopen your phone, make sure that your phone's operating system is up to date, as outdated software can prevent apps from launching. Then also head over to your app store, search for your app, and then make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so always make sure to update your app. Then check if your device has enough free storage, since those storage can stop apps from opening. Go to the general, then iPhone storage, and check whether you have storage or not. If the problem continues, long press on the Barclays app icon, remove app, delete app, then go to the App Store and reinstall the app. Once reinstalled, try logging in again and your error should be fixed, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.